Did you know you can turn one plant into a dozen without spending a single penny? Imagine transforming your home into a green oasis while saving money. Sounds amazing, doesn't it? Plant propagation is more than just a gardening trick. It's a smart way to save money and grow your plant collection. Instead of buying new plants, you can multiply the ones you already have. And it's not just practical, it's a fun and rewarding hobby that lets you connect with nature on a deeper level. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced gardener, propagation has something for everyone. Now let's explore the basics of plant propagation and how you can get started. There are 3 simple ways to propagate plants: cuttings, division, and air layering. Each method has its own unique process and benefits. Cuttings are perhaps the easiest. You take a small piece of a plant, usually a stem, and prepare it for rooting. For example, with a pothos plant, you can cut a healthy vine just below a node, remove a few leaves, and place it in water. In a few weeks, roots start to form, and you've got a new plant. Division is perfect for plants that have grown large and need more space. A snake plant is a great example. By carefully separating the roots into smaller clumps and replanting them, you can create several new plants from one. It's simple and works best with mature, overcrowded plants. Air layering might sound fancy, but it's actually straightforward. This method is ideal for woody plants, like a rubber tree. By making a small cut on a stem, applying rooting hormone, and wrapping it with moist moss and plastic, you encourage roots to form directly on the stem. Once the roots develop, you can cut and plant it separately. Now that you know the basics, let's bring these methods to life. Imagine taking a pothos cutting, placing it in water, and watching roots grow week by week. Or dividing a snake plant, turning one pot into 2 or 3, ready to brighten up different corners of your home. And air layering? It might take patience, but the joy of seeing those roots form on a rubber tree is worth the wait. To make your propagation journey successful, here are some essential tips. Using a rooting hormone can significantly speed up the rooting process, especially for plants that are slow to grow. Choosing the right potting mix is equally important. Make sure it drains well but holds enough moisture for the roots to thrive. Humidity plays a big role in helping cuttings grow. Covering them with a plastic bag or placing them in a mini greenhouse can work wonders. And don't forget to keep an eye on your plants for any signs of disease. Clean tools and regular inspections can prevent a lot of problems. Finally, let's talk about the joy of growing your own plants. There's something magical about seeing a cutting transform into a thriving plant. It's not just about saving money or decorating your space. It's about the satisfaction of nurturing life. Propagating plants teaches patience, responsibility, and the beauty of small victories. So why not give it a try? Start with a plant you love. Follow these simple steps and watch your home turn greener, one cutting at a time. Once you see your propagated plants thriving, you'll wonder why you didn't start sooner. And remember, every plant has a story, and yours begins today.